Hello dear viewers, welcome to Mizan Techteacher 24 channel. Today you are going to get a useful video lesson by this YouTube channel, and those who are going to start digital marketing and those who are going to start Fiverr, Upwork, freelancing job will be benefited by today's lesson. And before going to start our today's lesson, I would like to invite you to subscribe this YouTube channel if you are new visitor here, and you will have to keep the bell button on so that you can get the notification at first in your notification bar. So I would like to give you an important tips that you will have to watch the video lesson from the beginning to the till the end of this video lesson. Let's get started our today's lesson. Dear viewers, subscribe my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and inspire me, because this is your greatest platform to help you by supplying useful video lessons. Today I'm going to show you how you will make your Facebook page published or unpublished, because you know that by creating Facebook business page or fan page, you can make it published or unpublished. If you make it published, your page will be publishing everywhere. But if you don't like to publish, or if you want to stop your publishing or publicity for some time being, or for some moment, or for some days, for some months, for some weeks, how you will do that? And today's video lesson will clear that to you. So this video lesson is going to be important and useful for you. Before going to start our lesson, I would like to invite you to subscribe this YouTube channel. First, to make your Facebook page published or unpublished, you will have to select a browser to log in your account. First, I will go to select a browser to log in my account, Facebook account. I will select Google Chrome, and if you have no icon in your desktop or laptop like Facebook, you will have to search in your search bar, but I will search manually facebook.com. You will write facebook.com in your search bar to go to your Facebook account, login. If your account is logged out, you will have to log in your account first to go to your business page or fan page. My account is logging here, so I will not have to log in my page again or log in my account again. To go to our page publishing or unpublishing, we'll have to first come in our Facebook account, then we'll go to our Facebook page. You can find your page name in the left side, or you can find your page on the top of your laptop here in this icon bar. Here, this is home, this is friends, this is groups, and you can find your page also here. Your pages is in right side, or your page will be in left side also. This is your shortcut key to find your pages and groups. You can go from here, or you can go from there. I will go from here from my shortcut key, and my Facebook page account will be open here, and this is page name Mizan Techteacher. And if you open your Facebook page, you will find some icons here. These are home, newsfeed, inbox, business, app store, notification, insight, publishing, ad center page, quality, edit page info, and settings. For any kind of setting, or for any kind of addition or exclusion or inclusion, you will go to settings. First, I will go to settings. Here you will get general settings, message settings, page info, templates and tabs, notification, advanced setting, messaging. For adding your messenger, you will go to advanced messaging. But to make our page general setting, we will select general setting. Here you will find general setting, and after clicking on general setting, you will find this interface: page visibility, visitors, post, news feed, post and story sharing, messages, tagging ability, others, tagging this page, country restriction or age restrictions, page moderation, profanity filter. Similarly, you will get these type of interface here. But to make your page published or unpublished, you will have to go to page visibility. Page visibility is for publishing your page or unpublishing your page. So to make your page published or unpublished, you will go to the page visibility here and go to edit. Click on edit, and if you click on edit, you will find page published or page unpublished. If you click on page unpublished, your page will be unpublished and nobody will find, or nobody will find after searching your page. Even the customers or the visitors or viewers or likers or followers will not find your page if you click page unpublished and save here. But if you make your page published, you will click on published and then go to save here. As I would like to make my page published, so I will select page published. If you don't like to make your page published, you will select page unpublished and then click on saved, and your page will be published here. And you can see that my page visibility is published, page published. And if you select unpublished, your page will not be published or will not be visible to your visitors, to your customers. So I hope that you have understood from this short video lesson, and this video lesson was very important, and I also think that you have enjoyed this video lesson greatly. And if you think that this video lesson was helpful for you, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel. And you can share the video links in your Facebook timeline, and you can ask your friends to subscribe this great YouTube channel. Today I wanna finish here. Thanks for watching. Tata, goodbye.